This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Ever have a brilliant idea for a video, but no idea how to start? That feeling of a blank page. The endless search for the right tools, the right location. It's overwhelming. Today I'm going to walk you through a new creative process that changes everything. We're going to learn how to create a cinematic video from a single sentence. Let's begin. First, you open a new project. Forget cameras, forget lights. Your main tool is right here, the prompt box. This is where you describe the world you want to build. Now watch technique. Don't just say a car. Be specific. They're typing backseat of a 1970s taxi, add texture with worn zebra print cloth, then add the impossible with jellyfish underwater. The more detail you give the AI, the richer your world will be. Once your prompt is ready, you just hit generate. And here is your first shot, instantly. A scene that would traditionally cost a visual effects team thousands of dollars, created in seconds. But what if this isn't quite right? This is where the magic happens. You don't reshoot, you iterate. Want to add a pottery wheel? Just add the words. A chainsaw, a birthday cake, a wok on fire. You can test dozens of ideas in minutes simply by changing your prompt. You're essentially brainstorming with reality itself. Okay, so you have your perfect shot. How do you turn it into a story? This is step 3, extending. Notice how the AI has created this character. You can select her and then use the extend function. This tells the AI to continue the scene. You give it a new instruction. She arrives home to a celebration. The AI understands the context, the character, and the lighting, and it builds the next part of your story for you. Look at that, a seamless transition. You've just directed your first scene without ever leaving your chair. This is how you build a narrative, piece by piece. Once you master these 3 steps, prompting, iterating, and extending, the possibilities become truly limitless. This is what it looks like when you let your imagination run wild. You can combine concepts freely, a skyscraper that blooms, a spaceship with a theme park inside, a man swimming on a flooded road. Each of these impossible scenes was made using the exact same process we just walked through. You are no longer limited by budget or even by the laws of physics. Your only limit is your own creativity. So let's recap the new workflow. You don't film, you prompt. You don't reshoot, you iterate. You don't edit, you extend. This technology, called Veo, represents a massive leap forward, and mastering tools like this will be essential for creators. So what do you think? Are you ready to try it? Let us know in the comments what you would create with this power. To start your own AI journey, you can subscribe to AIX using the very first link in the description. And if you want more tutorials and inspiration like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.